Okay, this one you have to be really careful and read what it says. It says insert the writing document from the data files by selecting the paragraph that begins with, quote, insert injuries from, end quote, and ends with, beginning quote, of the report, ending quote, including the paramark. That's probably what you're having problems with. I did it the first time myself. So what you want to do is go down here to this one, insert, highlight it, highlight it with the paramark, okay? Then go up here to insert the text, the object, text from file. This is a quirky program because you have to do it exactly like the simulation says. So if you were forgetting the paramark, and then insert, and you'll get your answer correct. Okay? Good luck.